we're very we're very happy to be launching the Phil Bamboo product line. Excuse me. Phil Bamboo product line today in Pinopex. So this was the fashion show that I mentioned earlier. So we will be sending. There are people already who have been inquiring if they can have customized, personalized, made-to-order dresses and the other sportswear and of course the wedding dress and the barongs. Yes, we can customize for you. So we will be sending the pictures of all the products, both the food and the non-food. We just saw samples today. Hindi po namin mabibit-bit yung furniture dito, pero pwede po namin i-email yung mga pictures. I would just, before we dance, kasi may nagre-request ng sayo kanina, can we just, I'd like to call the people from Phil Bamboo and Human Nature have been working tirelessly to make this possible, of course, in coordination with SOAP and also with the DA. So, ang tumahi po ng lahat ng mga damit na ito ay si Miss Margie Bedia. Margie, our seamstress. Okay? Si Miss Margie po, matagal nagtrabaho sa Dubai at siya po ay tumatahi sa mga gowns ng mga prinsesa at ng mga kilalang personalidad sa Dubai. Pero nagdesisyon po siya na bumalik dito sa Pilipinas para tumahi sa mga Pilipino. Diba ate? So, ayan po, siya po yung tumahi ng lahat ng yan. Yun pong kapatid niya, si Miss Melu, siya po yung marketing director ng Human Nature Parañaque sa kanang Create Innovate. So, si Miss Melu po, yung kasama naman pag nagde-demo kami ng mga mineral makeup na gawa rin sa Kawayan at saka sa marketing. Miss Melu, please come here on stage. Si Miss Jojing, kanina, na kumukuha ng picture ng angklong, si Jojing po at si Vinya, sila yung nanalo sa Shanghai World Expo. Jojing, wag ka na mag-post dyan. Tumayo ka na dito. Okay. 20 years na po si Jojing na nagtuturo ng mga komunidad natin, ng mga mahihirap at mga kababahihan. 20 years sa iba-ibang probinsya. Hindi lang po, marami pong mga designer kasi ang tinutulungan ay ang mga malalaking negosyante. Walang masama doon. Pero ang ginagawa po namin, yung mga maliliit na mga negosyante at mga producers at mga nagtatanim at mga nagsasaka, kailangan maging malaki rin sila sa hinaharap. Ako po kasi ay anak ng isang magsasaka. Ang tatay ko po, nagtatrabaho sa farm, 5 taon lang siya. Yung lolo ko po ay magsasaka ng mga ngisda na hindi rin po siya nakaabot ng high school. So nangako po ako sa aking pamilya na later pag naging abogado na ako ngayon, bumalik din po ako sa agrikultura. So 4 na taon na po ako sa Gawad Kalinga, saka sa Human Nature, 2 taon po sa Kawayan. So sana po lahat tayo ay na-inspire dito sa mga present namin. So hindi lang po ito picture at hindi lang to pang PR at pang photo ops kasi lahat po tayo ay may pwedeng gawin. Tama? Lahat tayo ay merong pwedeng gawin para sa ating bansa. Malaki man o maliit. So, yung ibang members ng team, si Froy, si Brian, Freelance, si Fern, siya po yung nagdidirect kanina sa stage. Sila po yung tumatao rin sa booth namin. Si Connie Florentin, si Vinya, I think is also here. Okay? Si Vinya, silang dalawa po ni Jojing yon. And of course, si Ate Cecil Inocencio, banggitin ko na rin. Si Miss Tina Morados Papillon, saka si Gael, yung anak niya. I'd like to call Cecil. Where is Cecil? Okay. Wait, can you introduce isa-isa? Yung mga models galing po sa... ang ating po mga models, karamihan sa kanila ay galing sa SOAP, okay? Sa Post 101, all the way from Batangas. And also from, sino pa? Maybe hindi ako nabanggit. Ating organizer. O sige. Soap, syempre. So, kitang-kita naman natin, pwede silang maging Ann Curtis. Oo. Meron ng version ng Ann Curtis at saka sino pa? Si Georgina Wilson at si Isabel Daza. At saka sinasabi ko nga kanina, brown is beautiful, ala Venus Ra. Okay, so I'd like the models, pakilala lang po, and then we can wrap up.
Good afternoon, I'm Kim Harvey Villegas, 20 years old from Malvar, Batangas.
Good afternoon. I'm Alan Humajao from Santo Tomas, Batangas.
Hello everyone, I'm Ruby Aresa, farmer. So, go!
Good afternoon, I'm Eliza May Cagitla from Tanawan, Batangas. Good afternoon, I'm Pepper Cortez from Parañaque City.
Good afternoon, I'm Maki Balahaja from Tanawan, Batangas.
Good afternoon, I'm Richmond Dizon from Santo Tomas, Batangas.
Good afternoon, I'm Patricia Rose B. Pumalay from Tanawan, Batangas.
Good afternoon, my name is Gal Papillon and I'm from Abra.
Good afternoon, I'm John Silin Macaya, 17 from Tanawan, Batangas.
Good afternoon, I'm Kisha Favela from Parañaque City.
Good afternoon, I'm Munina de Guzman, an organic farmer from Chaong, Quezon. I'm from Soap.
I'd like to also call Lolo James kanina. He's a member of Team Human Nature. Can you imagine, nagbubuhat po siya at nagpipintura ng mga bahay sa Baseco. Okay, he's 60 years old. He's a member of Team Human Nature. Tumugtog siya with Uncle Lung kanina. I'd also like to thank Champy from Parañaque and everyone who have been helping us and who has been supporting our advocacy from the start. So can we just invite everyone also from SOAP on here? Mag-picture taking po tayo and then ano yung music nyo? Merong gustong magsayaw ng K-pop dito eh. Magsasayaw ba kayo? Oh no. Ha? Oh, merong magsasayaw ng gentleman. Baka merong gustong mag-join. Kilala natin si Gangnam, di ba? Okay. Kasi international ang kawayan. Anong koneksyon? Ang World Bamboo Congress po, na sana makasali tayo, ang Pilipinas, ay gagawin sa Korea sa 2015. Okay? So, organic po ang ginagamit na process natin sa pagtatanim ng kawayan. Kaya ayun ang koneksyon, bakit biglang magsasayaw ng K-pop. Parang in preparation for 2015 ito. So, pwede po kayong mag-join dito. Sinong pwedeng mag-demo ng sayaw? Okay, wag na kayong magturuan. Sino magde-demo? Si Kim. Kim, ang aming version ni Lee Min Ho at saka ni Sian Lim. O Kim, dito ka sa gitna. Okay, sige. Hindi, syempre si Pepper, girl siya ngayon. So, pwedeng ka muna, exit. Si Maki, okay, the boys will take center stage. Gael is Filipino-French. So, si Miss Tina po yung mother niya at si Tito Gerard na French ang kanyang tatay. Okay, forward kayo. Can you get the music starting? Okay, we have a picture of SOAP. One group picture here with the models and then, lagi po. Okay, picture with SOAP. Ate, sama ka dito. Ask someone to take that. Oh, yeah. Picture muna ng SOAP habang inaayos yung music. Lahat po na gustong sumayaw, pwede po kayong sumama. Lahat na pwede na sumama. Pakitanggal po yung glass. Okay. Let's have the dance number now. Kasama na siya lahat. Saan na yung music? Mamaya with soap. Oo, nasa taas sila eh.
Essa é a letra mais difícil do mundo, hein? Assim, ó. Bara, bara,
Dali lang.
bere, bere, bere. Bara, 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 bere, bere, bere.
Game up. Game na to. Sandali.
알랑가 몰라 왜 화끈해야 하는 건지 알랑가 몰라 왜 발끈해야 하는 건지 알랑가 몰라 아리까리하다 까리해 알랑가 몰라 We like party 해 있잖아 말이야 이 사람으로 말씀드리자면 말이야 용기 패기 똘끼 멋쟁이 말이야 너가 듣고 말하고픈 게 난데 말이야 Damn girl you so fucking sexy I'm a motherfucker gentleman motherfucker gentleman motherfucker gentleman 알랑가 몰라 왜 미끈해야 하는 건지 알랑가 몰라 왜 새끈해야 하는 건지 알랑가 몰라 빨리 와서 난리네 알랑가 몰라 난리 나서 빨리 해 있잖아 말이야 너의 머리 허리 다리 종아리 말이야 Good feeling good 부드럽게 말이야 아주 그냥 헛소리 나게 말이야 Damn girl I'm a party mafia I'm a motherfucker gentleman motherfucker gentleman motherfucker gentleman Gonna make you sweat Gonna make you wet You know who I am Let's say it Gonna make you sweat Gonna make you wet You know who I am Let's say it I'm a motherfucker gentleman motherfucker gentleman motherfucker gentleman motherfucker gentleman motherfucker gentleman
Thank you very much once again to Attorney Dulce Punzalan of Phil Bamboo. Well, we're left speechless and we're so inspired after your presentation. In fact, usually on the last day, marami pong nag-uuwian pero nakita nyo naman, talagang inabangan po ito at tinapos. At dito po nagwawakas ang aming mga side activities and presentation. It's the very first Philippine Natural and Organic Products Expo. So we hope to see you again next year. And we would like to make a few announcements. In behalf of Spread Organic Agriculture in the Philippines, we would like to invite you to our free seminars. We have monthly seminars and agripreneur markets at every third Friday of the month. Iba-iba po ang topic, and we are here to promote our advocacy. This is run by volunteers and fellow advocates, farmers, producers alike. And we have our upcoming seminar this November for accounting for farmers. We also have various topics every month. Abangan po ninyo. Please join our Facebook page. We will post our events there. And we always, of course, the free seminars won't be possible without the support of our affiliates from the Department of Agriculture, the ATI, BAR and AMAS, and BAFS. So please support our advocacy. Isulong po natin ito. And we hope you can link with all of us here, those who have inquiries and who would like to check out the products of Phil Bamboo. They are still around. And of course, we would like to announce the winners also of Joy Hesena Barcelon's photography contest. I don't think we thanked our speakers enough. So thank you very much once again to all our presenters. They are fellow advocates and volunteers. So thank you po sa lahat din ng mga tumulong from Spread Organic Agriculture in the Philippines, DA, and all of you who are here right now. I will turn this over to Joy to announce the winners.
I'm happy to say, yung mga participants kanina, they had better pictures than I did. Ang gagaling nila. Yung isa, cellphone lang yung gamit. So, ibig sabihin, wala sa camera yun. Okay? Nasa tao, behind the camera. Okay? So, ang mga tatlo nating nanalo, wala nang first, second, third. The fact na tatlo, nagulat talaga ako sa results. Pati sila, nagulat din. Pero it was a pleasant surprise. One of the winners is here. Ofelia Domingo, is she still around? And Gloria Rodolfo, can they come over please? Come up here. Awarding. Neil, come up here. Neil Dalanon. Okay. O si Neil muna, siya pinakamalapit eh. Pakihawak. Okay. Si Neil. Yes, so he gets a framed picture of Calatagan Bay. I hope, Stills, yes. I hope you're encouraged to go full-time into stills photography. Do you have anything to say?
No, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Inspiring.
Thank you rin sa mami niya na naghikayat sa kanyang pumunta na rito right now. Okay, thank you, mami. Picture daw kami. Napilit. Sabi, Neil, pumunta ka na rito ngayon. Starting na. Opo, thank you po. Okay, Gloria Rodolfo. Come here. Put down your bags. Hindi photogenic ang bag. Yes. Oh, yan yung camera niyang, tamo? Pakita mo naman yung picture. Pakita mo yung picture kanina ng food. Sige, awarding na muna. Awarding muna. Thank you. Oops, excuse us. Okay. This is a picture of Puka Beach in Boracay mga 10 years ago. Nung wala pa siyang mga advertisements ng San Miguel and Globe and Smart. Oh, you have anything to say?
Out of curiosity lang naman nung napadaan ako doon. Napadaan ako tapos nakita ko yung photography session and then biglang yun. Hindi ko makuha dito sa camera. Sabi ko yung isa na lang.
maganda yung sa cellphone niya daw. Okay. Si Miss Ophelia, andito ba? Miss Ophelia Domingo, come here quick! Quick, 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 quick! Dito ka, dito ka. Taga Picard. Okay, she was also surprised with the picture she took. Gumanda ng gumanda, no? So umpisa, not so great. Nung bandang huli, maganda na talaga. Really impressive the way she composed. So this is a picture of Matabong Calatagan Bay also. Thank you. Oh, picture, picture. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you po ulit sa mga nag-attend, sa mga participants, at saka sa mga vendors. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much and see you again next year for the second NOPEX.
I forgot to mention yung venue po ng ating free seminars ng SOAP at saka sa DA-ATI. Doon po mismo sa ATI, sa Serrano Hall ng ATI at the Elliptical Circle po. Thank you.
With that, let's call it a day. Be safe when you go home. Group picture, SOAP people. Glass picture.